Hello everyone, this is Vaik Parmar and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, today I'm gonna go over my Wednesday trades. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with 15-minute point of interest. With this break of structure, I took this candle and mark my 15-minute point of interest. I took this candle and mark my 15-minute point of interest, and I took this candle and mark my 15-minute point of interest. I removed this point of interest because we didn't get any reaction from this, so I removed it. Also, we create this low, and from here we get a change in characteristics here. So I took this candle and mark my 15-minute point of interest here. So, and with this break I took this candle and mark my 15-minute POI here. Also, another 15-minute POI was here, but what happened here is we tap into it, we get a reaction, we fail the reaction, so this becomes my flip, and this candle becomes my new 15-minute supply. Alright, so in London session we tapped into our 15-minute supply zone. Also, we get a break of structure to the downside. So after getting this break of structure, I take this candle and mark my point of interest here. I took 50% of it and place my sell limit, but unfortunately, and my stop loss was 1.5 pips. Okay, but unfortunately we didn't get tagged in this trade. We missed this trade by for a 0.1 pip. If we would have got tagged in, we could have got 14.53 R, but unfortunately we missed this trade. So after this trade we tap into our 15-minute demand zone. So here we generate some liquidity, we sweep this liquidity, then we get a quick move to the upside. Here we can see that we have our 1-minute supply zone here. So we get a reaction from it and we break this 1-minute supply, so it becomes our flip. So after this flip I took this candle and take the 50% of it and place my buy limit here with a 1 pip stop. We have very small stop loss of 0.5 pips, but I gave it a some breathing room and make it 1 pip. So we get tagged in here, we get a reaction, and we get a bullish move here, but unfortunately we lose this trade. uh, this all things becomes liquidity, as you can see. This all things, wait a minute, so this all became liquidity. We swapped this liquidity, we came to this extreme. So we get a change in characteristics here. We came to this extreme, but I didn't place my buy limit here. Instead what I did is I was looking for a flip here. So again, after sweeping this liquidity, we get a rapid move to the upside, and we have our 1-minute supply zone here. So I mark this candle. So we get this, so we get the reaction from here with this red candle. We have reaction from this red candle, and we break this reaction here, so this become our flip. Then I took this red candle, I marked this candle and place my buy limit here. So we have a stop loss of 1 pip and I target my supply zone, my 15-minute supply zone. So in this trade we banged. So this was our 29.5 hour trade. After this trade, so I managed this trade in my 5 minute. What I did is, after this bullish move, I put my stop. After this bullish move, I put my stop loss to the break even. With this small retracement and big move up, I place my stop loss here and my take profit was here. So that's how we bang 29.5 hour. So after this, in the New York session, we tapped into our 15-minute supply zone. We get a change in characteristics here. Okay, wait a second please. Okay, we get our change in characteristics from here. So after this change in character, what I did is I took the 50% of this candle. Okay, I took the 50% of this candle and placed my sell limit here with a stop loss of 2 pip. Okay, with a 2 pip stop loss, I target the 15-minute demand zone here. So in this trade we bang 15.75 hour. Also before, okay, also before this trade I place another trade here, as we get a flip here. We have our demand zone here. We get a reaction from this demand zone and we fail this demand zone, so this become our flip. And I took this candle, mark 50% of it and place my sell limit here with a stop loss of 2 pip. Okay, but unfortunately we lose this trade, but my another order was here, so I got tagged in here and we banked 15.75. So guys, these were the trades which I took on Wednesday. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video and gained some knowledge from this. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, share with your fellow traders, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and peace out.